Phipps' law is a mathematical equation that expresses that it's faster to hit a larger target closer to you than a smaller target farther from you. I will be demonstrating this equation in the following slides. In the top half of the screen, you'll notice there's a smaller target, and the arrow takes a greater amount of time to reach that target, which could result in a higher percentage of error. On the bottom half of the screen, you'll notice there's a larger target, a shorter distance, and a higher probability of reaching that target. Every website has a clear objectives they are trying to achieve. It is important to make it clear to the user. If I asked you to find the emergency button, which button would you be able to click on at the fastest rate? Here are some real-world examples of the Phipps law in action. The back button is a larger size compared to the forward button since more people click on that more often. In the final example, the compose button is a larger size than the following buttons below it just because of its importance of use.
This is a video about accuracy in web. Accuracy in web design means a few things: making a clear path through your website, providing usable and visible targets, and increasing access to critical information. The organization of your page is critical. The F-pattern theory and the golden triangle are web design principles that take advantage of the way the human brain processes information from left to right and top to bottom. Due to this phenomenon, it makes sense to arrange information on a web page in the same way. The emerging ubiquity of touchscreens is causing a new set of accuracy problems. While devices and screens are growing smaller and smaller, our input devices, or our fingers, are not. Different touchscreen operating systems have different standards for recommended target sizes. These standards help to ensure usability in buttons and links.
In the past, developers designed pages by fixed width pixel sizes, because it used to be a matter of keeping up with the most popular desktop resolutions. Now a more flexible design has become popular. With the rapid rise of mobile computing, developers should consider that their users may primarily know them from a smaller screen world of apps, and may prefer the app interface they already know. Apps are often very simplified interfaces designed to cope with small screens and big fingers. This may mean simplicity, minimalism, clear layouts, flatter style or colors, and less decoration and skeuomorphic features. In this case, the bookcase and microphone are skeuomorphic indications of the app's purpose, but that visual information comes at the cost of real estate that could be used for other features. The advantages of PCs are detailed input devices and larger screens. Developers should make use of these in later pages, but should consider a stripped-down landing page. Despite the wide variety of services, Google still has its very clean landing page with an app-like menu at the top. Dropbox has also cleaned its appearance with a simple link to learning more that its already familiar users can ignore. However, designers still need to be on the lookout for the mobile user. While this is engaging and accurately depicts the intended use in one colorful photograph, the buttons of this interface are far, far too small to be usable on a mobile device, which is the very intended market of this app.
Hold on. Let me get my mouse ready. Now let's all talk about discoverability and some ways to avoid futility. You just need to find what they came for. This is a task and should not be a chore. Where should I click? Not there, son. That large image is just an icon. All that space should have been conserved for some buttons much more deserved. Like important links and navigation. Designers got you lost, why they hate, and discoverability helps users find anything and everything they had in mind. Patterns are something the user lets them follow, so order your content in repetitive flows. Yeah, your phone may not be as good as mine, but that all comes with learning interface design. So make the things your site users need be where they expect them to be. I promise you designers that will ensure your sites will be awesome and not torture.